Let's get started by creating your company recruiting page. The recruiting page is an important branding tool in which you introduce your company to potential applicants. With PASONA Crossing, you can create your company's recruiting page by simply following along a ready-made template. The recruiting page is made up of 8 sections. The top, the introduction, where you can share videos or photos of your company, message, in which includes a button to jump straight to your job listings, business, a place to introduce your company's services and businesses, our members, where you can introduce key figures of the company, benefits, activities, where you can showcase employee events, and the footer, in which you add general company information such as phone number or address. Here are a few things we recommend you prepare beforehand to make this setup easier. First, your company's logo. It is optional for you to use a logo, but if you do, please make sure to prepare it as a PNG file. Second, a company video. You can only upload a video using a URL. Therefore, please prepare a video using a platform such as YouTube or Vimeo. If you do not have a company video, you can upload a picture instead. Thirdly, prepare photos that can be used as backgrounds for the introduction, our members, and top section. You will need to prepare these photos as a JPEG file, but you may also use sample pictures that are provided. Lastly, you have the option to introduce your company or provide a message to applicants in multiple sections throughout the recruiting page. If you would like to use these sections, please prepare these messages as well. Are you ready? Then let's create your recruiting page. You will see a red banner at the top of your screen when your recruiting page is not made public yet. Click on the link within the banner to jump to the editing screen. You can also find the Edit Recruiting Page button under Company in the menu on the left. Alright, now let's start from the top. First, let's customize your recruiting page's URL. To customize, you will only need to add on to the provided URL. We recommend that this addition to the URL be your company name with hyphens wherever necessary. For example, for PASONA, we can make it my-PASONA or PASONA-jobs. Please be aware that once your recruiting page is published, you will not be able to change the URL. Next, upload your logo and choose a color scheme for the recruiting page. If you would like to use your logo, please make sure to upload it as a PNG file. You can choose the primary color of the page using a color code, and you have the choice of either black or white for the text colors. The chosen colors will be used for buttons, letters, icons, and banners. As you can see in the samples, each color provides a different impression even though the page layout is the same. We recommend you use the preview button to check and adjust the colors as necessary. The third step is to set up the top section. You will need to input a picture, title, and a description. For the picture, you may either upload a photo or choose from the media library. These first 3 steps are required. The next few steps and sections are optional to fill out. If you wish to add information to these additional sections, you will need to switch the toggle button to on. However, please be careful when turning a section back off. Once you turn off a section, all the information you entered will be deleted. Step 4. Introduction. You will need to either attach a video or provide photos. For a video, you will need to provide a URL and will not be able to directly upload a video file. For photos, you will need to upload at least 3 to 6. Step 5. Message. This section includes a message towards potential applicants and a button that jumps straight to the job listings. You will also need to either upload a photo or choose one from the media library to use as a background. Step 6. Business. Here, you introduce your company's services and businesses. First, select an icon, then add a title and description. To list multiple services, just click on Add Box. Step 7. Our members. Add photos, names, titles, and descriptions of key figures in your company. To add a third or more member, click on Add Member. Step 8. Benefits. Choose an icon and add the title and the description of benefits that your company provides. You do not need to list all the benefits provided, but we recommend to list those that are most appealing to applicants. If you would like to list more than 2 benefits, click on Add Box. Step 9. Activities. Here you can show a gallery of photos of office events and activities that the company takes part in. First, you will need to choose whether to set a text for each image or to set multiple images for one text. You can change these settings later, but please be aware that all the information priorly set will be deleted when the change is made. Step 10. Footer. Here, you can input the company name, company website, address, phone number, email address, and social media accounts. Your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, or company website can be highlighted in the social media section. Now, you have completed entering all the necessary information. You can save and preview your recruiting page by clicking on Preview at the top right of the screen. When you need to make edits or stop in the middle of editing, please make sure to press Preview to save your work. Once you have previewed the page, press Publish to make the page public. Keep in mind that you can still edit the page even after you have made the page public. After publishing your page, you can find the link to your recruiting page in the menu on the left. When you need to make edits, find the Edit Recruiting Page button under the tab for Company. You have successfully created your company's recruiting page. Now, let's create your first job listing.